Hello guys, welcome back once again. I hope you are doing great. In today's lecture, we are going to learn about ellipse. To draw ellipse, we got a shortcut command key, that is EL. So ellipse is a geometrical structure. It has one shape and two axes. So here I have been written one major axis and one minor axis is there, and it has four quadrants and one center. So here in this case you are going to draw an ellipse in three different format, or three different methods are there to draw ellipse. So here you can check out here in the draw menu you are going to find the ellipse. So you just click on here you are going to get the three method. One is center, one is axis and end, and one more is your ellipse arc. So only here we are going to draw only in arc of an ellipse, right? The same way, here also we are going to find the ellipse in draw toolbar. Here you got ellipse. So again those three methods are there. So I will show you how to draw with the help of an axis and point right now. So I will just select this one. So here what I need to do, if you are going to draw with respect to coordinate, you can go ahead with respect to that one, or else if you want to draw freehand on the screen, just have a tapping somewhere else. See, this is my top point of an ellipse, and again what I will do, I will take off about 50 units of an ellipse major axis. So I will hit an enter, right? So after selecting these two major axis points, one top and one is bottom, so I need to give the next point is with respect to your mid portion. So mid portion means here what I need to do is I need to give the half of that one. So what I will do, I have taken what I'll call 50 overall length. So here I need to give the 12.5, right? So when I hit enter, it will come out of its command and it will draw an ellipse in front of me. See, this is how I have drawn with the help of the first method is axis and end point. So I have been given the axis value, right? So it has been showing here 1 and 2 point I have been given, and the third point I have been taken, right? First initially, so from here to here, if you want to check the length also, you can check the length. See here what I will do, I will check the length, whatever the length I have been given over here, right? It is not visible, so I will make it bit bigger so it is clearly visible for you people. You can check out here, I have been given 50, so it is showing me 50. The same way, if I want to check with respect to the this axis, so I have been taken around half of that axis. So here it is going to show me I have been taken as 12.5. You can check out here. See, this is my center point to here. I was just placing over here. So you can check out this one. So I will increase the size of this one text also. You can check out there 12.5 is there. Whatever the dimensions I have been given, how to draw an ellipse with the help of your axis and your center point. Now the second method is there. So here I can draw an axis with the help of the center point. So here what I need to do, I need to give the two radius. So if I was giving here what I call both the ends, if I was taking radius as 25, then I used to get a circle like ellipse. If you want to check that one also, I will show you. I will type EL and I will hit enter. This is my first point and I was entering the second point as 50, right? And again I was giving the third axis point also a 25, that will become 50 as diameter. So when I hit enter, you are going to see the circle like ellipse, right? So the same way I was drawing the ellipse with the help of this second method, that is your center method. So it is indicating me specify the center of an ellipse. So somewhere I was tapping here with the help of a freehand. See, if I was considering this as my center point, so I need to give the one axis length. Alright, so here what I will do, I will just give 25 and I will hit enter. Right, it has been created these 2 points. Now in the opposite side, what I will do, again I will give the 12.5, that is my axis point. See here in this case what I have done, I have been given the only this length and this length. the second case, right? So it is clearly indicating that here center point. With the help of this center point, I have been given the first axis point, and the second one is I have been given this axis point of about 12.5 units. This is how we are going to draw our ellipse with the help of second method. One more is there, ellipse arc. So in this case, if I want only this arc length, only this arc part or this arc part, so if it is divided into four parts, so if I want any one part or any small amount of ellipse, so we can go with respect to the arc method. When I select the arc method, it is stating me that specify the endpoints of ellipse. This is my first point, right? The same way I will give again here as 25 units, and I will hit and enter. See here, it is ready, right? Now it is asking me for the next one, so again I will give as 6.25 and I will hit enter. See, now it has not came out of its command. It is asking me start the angle for start angle. So it is stating me that give me the angle of that one. See, for example, if I want only this part, so I will keep here and I used to get a ellipse. When I select this ellipse, you are going to see the imaginary line over here. So this is how we are going to draw an ellipse with the help of your ellipse command, that is EL. Right? Thank you.